Welcome to the Vegan Spoils. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. The gut, the hair, the skin, the hydration, the vitamin C, the amino acids. No juicer, no problem. I still got you guys. What are we doing today? Orange drink. Hit it. Welcome back, everybody. We got a little bit of Kicking Horse coffee right there. They use the Swiss water process to go ahead and clean their beans. Beautiful. I don't get anything out of the deal, guys. I just love that brand, just like you go ahead and like a peanut butter brand or an almond butter brand, guys. So what do we got going today? We have juicing. If you don't have a juicer, no problem. Don't worry about it. I have several other videos, guys, that demonstrate how I go ahead and juice without a juicer. So, if you don't have an expensive juicer, you don't really need one. I've been vegan for over 15 years, and I'm going to show you another way how I do juicing without a juicer. Right here, a fine mesh strainer. I have several others over here down below. I have one over there, and I have one over there. I have this one, it's a different size. And of course I have this third one over here that I'm going to go ahead and give you an up close and personal with. So these are three strainers. One has a rubber end, one has a wood end, and one is just stainless steel, guys. There are fine mesh strainers, okay, and semi-fine, and you find the ones with the bigger holes. Some have smaller holes, okay? This one that I'm using right here is a fine mesh strainer, okay? Because I don't want a lot of pulp and or fiber to get through the strainer into what I'm drinking. So I like to minimize that as much as possible, okay? So a fine mesh strainer and this, a bowl. That's it, guys. A bowl to go ahead and fit it in. That's all you need, okay? So, let me go ahead and give you an up-close personal like I always do in all my videos to show you what's going on. So, we have the basic orange carrot. We have a beet. Yes, this is a yellow beet and or orange on the outside, okay? Different properties as the red beet, okay? But this is in the beet category, all right? Then we have, right here, some lemon, we have some oranges, and we have some orange peppers for the vitamin C. Right here, this little guy is potent. If you can go ahead and put that in the comment section if you know what that is, but I'm going to tell you in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This right here is turmeric. Turmeric root, guys. Highly potent, anti-inflammatory, antifungal, microbial, you name it, that bad boy is at the top of my list. We're going to go ahead and juice. So, I've used so many juicers in the past. They all work good. They all do what they're supposed to do. The cleaning, I hate it. It absolutely sucks, and I'm sure you can go ahead and attest by that. I just don't like to do it on a regular basis. I find this right here to be quick, easy, very, very efficient, and I'm going to go ahead and show you why. Hold on, let me go ahead and get a little bit of this. Put that down there. So we have a glass jar. This right here is a pen crest from the 1970s. I say it in a few of my other videos because it demonstrates how effective this simple demonstration is. I've been doing this several times a day, guys. Absolutely love it. So we're going to go ahead and put a few carrots in there. All right. We're going to go ahead and do the orange peppers. We're going to do some oranges. We're going to do 2 of the beets. We're going to do 1, and let me find the other one, 2 turmeric root, guys. Very, very potent. We're going to put some lemon in there, and maybe another carrot and another orange pepper. we're going to go ahead and fill it with a little bit of water. I want to leave a gap at the top for it to expand. And that's right about good right there, guys, okay? Pop the good old lid on, okay? Now, if you don't have a high-speed blender, like the Vitamix, like the Blendtex and all that stuff, those things are very efficient. I absolutely love those. I don't have one, but I have several different vintage type blenders that work very, very well. Just extend the time a little bit more on the blender. So if you do a Vitamix for 3 minutes, you know, extend this maybe 30 seconds or another minute. It's not a big deal, guys. That's it. Take this bad boy off, put it in here, take it, pour it into the strainer. That is it. I can smell the carrots from here. Very potent. The orange peppers got a lot of that going on. So now, as you can see, it's straining. If you have any type of ball jar, any type, if you have a large one, if you have a mug one, if you have any of these guys up here, if you have any of these over here, the only thing you need to do is grab one. That's it. And a spoon. Doesn't matter what kind of spoon it is. It could be a big one or a small one, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up of what I'm doing right here. So, okay, so you take the spoon, you swirl it around. You try to get as much out as you can, okay? And as you do this, you're going to see this pulp is going to become drier as you do it, okay? This is where the magic happens. You ready for this? Take your jar. If you don't have a jar, boom, use a mug, okay? You go like this. You swirl it around. You press it down. Watch. You see that? You press it down. That's it. I like to go ahead and press and swirl. Press it, press it, press it. And as you can see, okay, the pulp is getting extremely dry. And as you do this for another minute or two, you'll see that there's nothing else is dripping on the bottom, guys, through the strainer. Look at how dry that is. Look at that. Smack it down like that. Nice vibrant orange color. Beautiful. Okay. That, my friend, is going to be it. That is it. Just to show you, okay, here's a white dish. Put it under. There's nothing. There's nothing else that comes out, guys. Put this back over there. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Completely dry, guys. You can go ahead and use the pulp for salads. You could do a hamburger. You could do whatever. You could do a compost. Whatever you want to do with it, just go ahead and do it, okay? So that is going to be it on that. Put that aside, okay? And we are going to go ahead and pour this in with my little bad boy right here, the funnel, okay? If you don't have one of these, I explain it in all my videos, all right? It opens up, it widens the circumference of the area so you don't spill it, okay? Because if I were to pour this in here in this cup, just like this, I could do it. I'd probably make a little bit of mess, but watch this. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That's one down. Move that. We got another one up for you. Who's thirsty, guys? Right there. That. This. Grab your favorite straws. We're going to go a green and we're going to go an orange. Right there. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Electrolytes. There's so many of these guys in this drink. You go to taste it. I know exactly what it tastes like because I make it practically every day. Yummy. I know you're not supposed to slurp on TV, but you know what? That was tasty. I could pound this down right now, but I'm going to go ahead and let you know what I have going on right here, okay? Electrolytes, they are so important, okay, to perform at your best. The sodium, the potassium, you name it, guys. And if you know your body, when you're feeling low on electrolytes, you don't really feel the same, okay? And then what you do is you drink a ton of water. You drink more water, okay? And most of the time, it flushes all the electrolytes out, okay? So you want to go ahead and replenish with electrolytes. This right here and this one. This has oranges, lemons, frozen blueberries, frozen cherries, all right? A lot of lemon in there, right there. This is after I added the water. This is going to be blueberries and cherries and lemons, okay? If you want to go ahead and kick it up a notch, you can go ahead and add some sea salt. That has electrolytes in it too. But what you want to do is this. So get your jars, get your frozen fruit, okay? Put your stuff in it and watch this. You ready for this? I'm going to add water. I'm going to take these to work tomorrow. I'm going to take both of them to work tomorrow. This is how simple it is and easy it is to get your electrolytes in the day, guys. All right? You can add any type of frozen fruit that you want. A little bit more. I'm going to show you a close-up. Look at that. Because of the frozen blueberries, that's going to turn darker overnight. All right? And then you have this one right there. These two right there, this is awesome. Okay? Hydrate yourself with this in the morning and or in the afternoon, and you are good to go. So let me see here. We got 2 of those. We have a nice orange drink without a juicer. So, my name is Joseph. You got this. Own it, and you're worth it. Remember, go ahead and leave a comment section down below. A comment in the section below, down below. All right? Support the channel, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time. Peace.